Hello friends, today I am here with another video of maths shortcut trick. In this video we will learn about how to find the squares of two-digit numbers. So let's start. Here is our first question. What is the square of 67? So let's find it. The given number is 67. We have to calculate square of 67. So first of all we have to write the square of 6 here, that is 36. Then after we have to write square of 7, that is 49. This is the first step. In the second step what we have to do, we have to multiply this first digit with this second digit. It is 6 into 7, it becomes 42. Then after multiplying this we also have to multiply it with this 2. So like this. So 6 into 7 42, and 42 into 2 it becomes 84. Then we have to write this 84 here, excluding this position. We have to start to write from the 10th position. We have to exclude the unit position, and after that simply we have to add these numbers. It becomes 9, this 8, 6, 12, 14, carry 1, it becomes 4. So our answer comes out to be 4489. So the square of 67 is 4489. So our option number 1 is correct. Let's take another example. What is the square of 98? We will go through the same technique. 98. First of all we will write the square of this 9, which is 81, and square of 8, that is 64. Then after we have to multiply this first digit with second digit, that is 9 into 2. Then after we have to multiply it with this 2. So multiply by 2. So it becomes 144. Am I right? Yes, it is correct. 144. Then after we have to add this number in this number, but one precaution that we have to take is we have to start from 10th position. We have to neglect the unit position. So let's add it. 144. Simply we have to add it. This 4 becomes 4. 6 plus 4 it becomes 10, carry 1. 4 plus 1 5, plus carry 1 6. And this 8 plus 1, that is 9. So our answer is 9604. So the square of 98 is 9604. Option number 1 is correct. Now we will also look at one more example. It is 95. Similarly we will go with the same technique, 95, but now we will do it fastly. Okay, what is the square of 9? It is 81. Square of 5, it is 25. We have to multiply this 9 with 5, that is 45. 45 into 2, it becomes 90. We have to exclude this position, that is unit position, and we have to write this 90 here. So our answer becomes 5. 2, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, it becomes 9025. So our option number 1 is correct, that is 9025. My friends, I am going to teach you one more very simple technique for calculating the squares of two digit, in which the unit digit is 5. Very simple technique it is. We'll start with the 95 itself. Okay, first of all we have to write this 95. But friends, listen carefully. This technique is, which I am going to tell you now, it is applied only for the numbers which are 2 digit, and second condition is the unit place is 5. Okay, this is 9 and this one is 5. We have to write the square of 5, that is 25, as it is. Then after, what we have to do with first digit is just simply take this 9, add 1 in it, it becomes 10, and multiply this number, that is 10 into 9, it becomes 90, and this is nothing but the square of 95. Let me give you one more example with this second technique, in which what we have, the two-digit number and the unit place is 5. Let's take an example of 45. Let's move with it. We have to write a square of 5, that is 25. Then we have to take 4, we have to add 1 in it, it becomes 5, and 5 into 4, it becomes 20, and we have to write 20, and this is nothing but the square of 45. This is how simple it is. If you are following my tricks, then definitely you will be able to calculate the squares of these numbers very fastly within 10 to 15 seconds. This is how simple it is. So at the last, thank you everyone for listening this, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll definitely post some more new videos of math tricks and general knowledge very soon for you people. Just stay tuned with me and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.